Hello to another Rhulani Insights. Again here with Kyle, director from Blockpower. We are again in the middle of our solar plant, but I just noticed each of our tables has this box attached. So tell us, we are all non-experts, Kyle, what is actually this box for?
So you generally hear the term inverter. And of course you get two different types of inverters. You get a solar inverter and a battery inverter.
Yeah.
This particular one is the solar inverter, which ties up to all of the solar panels on the plant. Yes, one per table. This one in particular is a 40 kilowatt solar inverter, which is connected to 64 solar panels across this particular table.
Yeah.
So this converts your energy from very high voltage DC or direct current through to the AC power that we use within the lodge.
AC/DC. When I was young, that was a pop group, musical, you know as well.
Yes, I do.
So now we have the AC/DC here.
That's exactly it.
But this is the DC.
So that is your conversion from DC on your left-hand side.
Here.
That's coming in from all your solar panels, and your AC power is coming out of yours.
Okay, good. Yeah, it's very good. All right. That was our blog about the inverter, the solar inverter. So we will see probably another one later. Thank you very much, Kyle, for this information. That was Rhulani Insights for today. Bye-bye.